so you should be facing the main security office.
I have one body here. Sorry for it's a random time.
It's more of a control room, if you ask me.
Video.
Okay, you know what to do. Get in, get some artifacts,
because
get out.
I had a problem with
Pretty
the main
simple,
menu when
right?
I first recorded this.
Well,
so
not if you don't know what you're doing.
Which I don't. 12 AM. And then... Oh, it's good music, nice. Hi, where the hell you are, George? Hi, George.
Alright, so let me explain the machines and the gizmos. The lever in front of you makes the pipes above you excrete gas that fry animatronic circuits. Did I mention there are active animatronics in there? Well, now you know. This lever only excretes gas if there's enough supply for them.
Okay,
if you run out of gas, you open up the camera and click the little wrench icon in the top right corner.
Yeah, I like wrenches. Click the wrench icon.
This is the maintenance screen. There are a bunch of things you need to keep track of, one of which is the gas supply. Once the gas supply is empty, you can refill it by clicking and holding the refill button. When you excrete gas, you will lose oxygen and your body will try to intake much faster, temporarily.
So if I go a bit quiet,
the oxygen supply to go down for a bit, but will automatically refill itself. But these supplies may go broken and you'll need to fix them. To fix the gas system,
so it's
click
number one
repair to automatically repair it. Now you may notice these fans in the screen.
So I know
Each room in this building has fans.
Which one I broke.
These fans may break from time to time and you'll need to fix them. To fix a fan, click on the room with the broken fan on it. And click
this
the
one
button,
breaks first.
Repair fan.
Guys.
Now the problem is, you won't know what fan is broken. The facility used to have this feature where you know what fan is broken, but machines age, sadly. And that means you have to go to every camera until you're on the room with the broken fan. If you don't repair them, your vision may go slowly dark because these fans excrete oxygen from outside. But don't worry, your vision will completely dark if you fix the broken fan immediately. Alright, I think that's it for tonight actually. Call me when you reach 6 AM.
I'll call you on my cell phone if I have one. Wait, what? I can't refill. Okay. God, that scared the living daylights out of me. Okay. Oh, you're nice. Where is he? Turning down the sound of it. Well, that's nice. The sound is in 12. Okay, is that Tweety? Okay, there they are. Whoa. Oh God, that scared me. Oh, there he is. This fan is so low though. Oh God, what fan was it? This one. No, it wasn't that one, it was this one. Yes. Repair fan. Phew. Whoa! Light? Oh, I wish I had a light. This game is quite simple. Hey. In the way stuff works. But it's like... God. What happened? Oh, is it this again? You're a pet. Go, go, go! I think one of them moved. Okay. Up goes the Tweety's about to get in. away. Oh, I have to hold it up. Alright, go to you. Go to you. Okay, thank you. Alright. If I could find my mouse, then I'd be good. Alright, so I think I've got the basics down. This game seems quite easy so far. I'm not looking forward to the tweety minigame. There's so many beeping noises. Like, there's the beeping noise when this gets broken. There's a beeping noise when the fan gets broken. There's a beeping noise when they get in. There's a beeping noise for pretty much everything important in this game. Oh god. Wait, is that like my screen, or is that like dirt on my screen? Or is that like, oh. See, look, the fan's broken, it makes a beeping noise. Which one is it? This one. The one that has tweety in. Quick, fix it. Right, refill. Right, I don't need that. Alright, I think I got the basics down. Ready to press spacebar for the minigame. Okay, George, get in number 8. Or tweety, okay, tweety, you can go in there. Oh, I won. Yeah, get wrecked. Absolutely wrecked. Can I go? Hello? Oh, click here to continue. Alright. So I just have to stay here.
Alright, I unlocked the door on the left. You should probably go there first.
Yeah. Okay, so I have watched the tutorial on how to play this game before I
Remember,
download it,
find
so it
something
should be okay.
and get out quickly. Stay for too long, and you're dead.
And I'm dead.
Got it?
That's nice.
Alright. Wow, this is dark. Okay. There's nothing much here, it seems. Try finding... Uh-oh. Oh no, it looks like the security system in this facility tripped. And the animatronics are a part of it. There's not much time. We have to hurry. Hold on. I got this. Wait, what? I can't hack the safe. I need the safe's port number, and the only way to get that is through you. Quick, bring up your phone. I sent you a program. Don't worry. It's easy. Welcome to the grid. If you use your mouse to left-click on a box, you'll create a pathway. Try it now. Come on. Keep going.
I've not been talking, sorry. Go away. 2, 3, 4, 5. God. 3, 4, 5. Go away. God. 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. I don't want to fly. No. 4, 5. This is like Funtime Foxy, mixed with Funtime Foxy. 2, 4, 5. Pulse next. No. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you reset it for me. I don't care. Well, I kind of do care. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I think I've got this down. Why is it not letting me? 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. God, go away. God, I'm dead. I'm dead. Okay. Alright, she's gone. She's there. Oh. Oh, that was actually so scary. Why is it not? Look, it's not. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. The longer you wait, the more she goes away. That's what I know now. Next. Okay, I've 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I get this now. This is actually really scary. When she was coming for me, when she was like really, really close, I actually took my headphones out. Because I knew she was going to get me. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, I got this. I'm not shy. God. Go, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. God, go away! You are the most annoying chicken, bird. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't want to stay in your nest. God. Oh, she said come out of the nest. No. She hasn't said one about flying in a while. I said that and she decided 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I said that and she started talking about flying again. God! I don't want to fly with you because you're gonna kill me. Well, they literally programmed to say this to kids. Two, 3, 4, 5. 1, saying come out of your vest. Come out of your nest or come out of the vent. Stop dying, ambience. No, let's not. I'm gonna get my sister to play this one. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, this is so close. It's not bedtime. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go away. Thank you. This is like the most annoying minigame I've ever done in my life. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. No, I don't want to. God. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Thank you. She gone.
Come on, dude, one more.
One more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You won't see me when I kill you. I'll get rid of you. Whatever the hell I'm doing when I'm slashing you in the face. Thank you. If she's just standing there, I will scream.
Go to the safe again.
I think she's like here somewhere. Find a password protected safe. What, this one?
Alright, so the pin code is 6473337.
Book. Yeah, I got the book. Oh, that's music. Shift complete. Yeah. Oh, there's a minigame. So let's continue. I'm not gonna read this, I'm just gonna... Okay, follow this guy, follow that guy. Hey. I'm just gonna skip all the text because if you want to, just pardon me, download it on Game Jolt. It's a free game. Was I meant to do that? I just followed him because I thought it was leading me to the place I had to go to, so... Yeah, please don't break again, Mr. Loading Screen. And just take me back to the main menu. Okay, my sister's screaming about something. Probably she's just playing again, so I'm gonna have to wait for this loading screen to load, and yeah, just do that. In the meantime, I'm just gonna click.
Well, last night was a disaster. Let's just hope today isn't.